my gosh, I still am in a crazy mess. I am still waiting for someone to help me put something together, to hang up my mirror in the bedroom, to move things around that I can't move. But I am doing a lot of stuff. I have my tools and I am doing a lot of stuff, and I will show you a tour pretty soon. But today I have to show you what I got from the 99-cent store. It's been my jam lately. It is the best store ever. Okay, so first let me just show you this bucket. This is just a bucket. There's a yellow duck, a pink piggy, and a green frog, and you could use these for crafts, for all your makeup, for your dishes, for your in the sink, a basin. It's just adorable. Okay, so I got a couple of those. Then I found the most amazing towels. Okay, these could be face towels, hand towels, or dish towels. So today I found them in pink. It's the first time I found them in pink. They're soft. I've never felt microfiber like this. This is like the softest shirt I own. Like, it's just so soft. It's like a little lamb next to your face. It's so nice. This is a white one. I buy mostly white. They have like a faded green, a faded blue, but I like the white and I like the cream. So soft. And yeah, I bought every pink one that they had. Today I spilled detergent all over the washing machine. I was at the laundromat and I said, oh my God, I've got to pick this mess up quickly before the lady sees me. So what I did was I grabbed one of my microfiber towels. Now these are automotive towels. And I put it on it. It sucked it right up. I've never had spills pick up so fast like this. I'm just crazy about them. Okay. Next, I got this for the men in my family. The Simply Spa Bath and Body Care Exfoliating Body Scrubber. And it comes with elastic in the back so they could put it in their hand and they could scrub. Because I think men do not scrub in the shower. I think men use body wash or soap and just go woo, but they really need a good scrubbing. And then I got one for the women, and this is a scrubber and a soft side, and it has a little strap. It's by Simply Spa at the 99-cent store. I have baby powder on my Dream More Worry Less shirt. I like it like that. Because baby powder will eliminate any stains on your shirt, any like oil stains from cooking or makeup, and it'll take it right away. The next thing is this microfiber cloth, disposable microfiber cloths. That's what they say, but I don't throw them out after I use them. I keep them. These are for everything in your house, but I have been using them for a washcloth. I was searching for a washcloth in the store that was inexpensive, but didn't have that thick border around. That's just wasted real estate to me. That thick border doesn't do anything. And these are just thin washcloths, and they're microfiber. They're for pet hair, dirt, dust, household surfaces, glass surfaces, and you don't need any detergent, any chemicals, and it removes your makeup. It's like an eraser, like the eraser cloths, the magic eraser. This is incredible. There's a picture. I don't know. Six cloths. I bought everybody one. I bought my mother, I bought my daughter. Wow, that is a find. And this next thing, this is a find. You hear it? Isn't that pretty? Okay, I'll show you. It is all makeup, and they're $2 at the 99-cent store. Hold on, let me move my viewfinder so I don't look in it. Okay. That's a tip for not looking into your viewfinder, and for make sure that you're looking into the lens when you're doing the video. Just tilt it. First do the video, you make sure that you're in shot, and then and then just tilt it so you don't look. Okay, so this is by Smoke and Mirrors. It's a glam stick. It's in the Glow series. It's iridescent glow, and the color is rose gold. And it reminds me of the Pat McGrath makeup when she was selling the makeup in the big bag of sequins palettes. Look at that. It's so good. And I got the highlighter, and look how much is in there for $2. That is amazing, and I'll show you how beautiful it is. Isn't that gorge? Wow, it's just a beautiful highlighter, and it's $2 at the 99-cent store, and it comes in this cute little bag. I love it. Beauty with an Edge, founded in New York City for an exclusive city lady look and feel. This all-feminine and sexy series is formulated to stimulate a woman's senses. It does, stimulates my senses. Ignite her imagination and explore her dreams. Smoke and Mirrors Cosmetics inspire an unforgettable experience from morning to night with ultimate beauty sophistication. Light up your features with Smoke and Mirrors Glam Stick. This multi-use stick provides an out-of-this-world holographic glow effect. Just swipe it wherever you want to create a prismatic look. It's great, and you see that I could read every little print I could read. That's because my doctor fixed my eyes. Because if you have cataracts, make sure you're getting checked, and get them fixed when your doctor tells you to, because it could go the other way. Either you could get better eyesight, or it could go the other way if you don't get it fixed. So, anyway, see I could read that? Isn't that amazing? I have 20/20 vision now. I'm flipped out. Oh, my doctor was super duper nice. He made one eye so I could read, and one eye distant. So when they both look together, it's like the same thing. And he's just amazing. That's what I want to show you. I want to show these fabulous towels, this dynamite makeup, these sponges, the washcloths, and the scrubber for the men in your life. Okay, grated cheese. Some sour cream. Crazy. Crazy. Okay, today's shout out goes to Honeybee. Honeybee, thank you so much, sweetie. You are the sweetest. You are so loving, so lovable to me. I just love reading your comments. You're so supportive. And this shout out is for you, Honeybee. So anyway, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you could just hit the red button down, the red subscribe thing with the little bell, and you'll be subscribed. Then you'll know when I put up a video. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Have a beautiful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.